They're finally ready for phase 2, which is the renovations in their old portion of the building. Let's get it.
They said they're ready for cable, but they still don't have the build out that's going for the front counter. And there's a few other walls they don't have. But I'm gonna go ahead and get what I can done. Got our top 5. The data rooms are right on the other side of this curtain and the closet that's over there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the cable set up in there, hop up in the attic, and start getting these ran. Back here at the rack, and the plan of attack is gonna be to leave all the phones in that top patch panel, and all the data I'm gonna swing down into another patch panel that I'm gonna mount between the 2 switches, and I'm actually gonna be dropping this battery backup and this switch down 1U to give us space for that. Got the first set of cables tied on, about to hop in the attic. Attic access. Right. Got the glow rods back on the renovation side of the building. Now time to get them ran all the way down to that corner. Got this set of lines roughed in. That set of lines roughed in. I'm gonna have to get some junction boxes for those. I didn't know I was gonna need those on this job, so I'll go grab those here in just a second. Got one of our access points ran. Got one phone and computer, and there's a phone and computer behind this door. I still need to cut the hole in the wall to get it pulled out. I'll take care of that once they get this stuff moved. Now it's time to hit some lunch and run to Lowe's to grab the junction boxes I need. Got all the new cables roughed in. Now it's time to work on getting them finished up on the room side. Got all the lines roughed in. It was a total of 11 data runs, 9 phone lines, and then 1 run for an analog paging speaker. I'm not installing the access points or the paging speaker yet because they still have a whole lot of construction to do. And I'm not even terminating the cables and all the wall plates because they're still working on sheetrock and painting and all that. And there are a few lines that I had to leave just coiled up out of the wall. This is the front desk area, so there's actually gonna be a little U-shaped half wall that goes around, and there's gonna be 3 phones and 3 computers going in here, so I just have enough slack to get it ran in the wall once they get that finished up. I'm probably gonna give them a week or 2 to work on getting closer to completion before I come back and get everything wrapped up. I'll see you guys then.